I need y'all to get into this sewing I just got because it's seamless. I can't even keep it together, y'all. This is a V-part wig, a deep V-part wig. And every time I wear her, I just find other ways to wear her because this style right here is chef's kiss. If you guys would like to see how I got these two styles, just keep on watching. This hair is from Alipearl hair and all the information will be linked down below, so please feel free to check it out. This is what came inside the box. You also have a bag to keep your hair in, but this is the wig. The V-part wig. I love me some V-part wig. And if you don't know, you know now. V-part wigs are so seamless and allows you to have less hair out. I love inspecting the hair before I install it, especially looking at the quality and what all comes with it. It does have an adjustable strap and I love that. This is in the body wave texture and it's going to be so beautiful straight or curly, but I'm going to be adding some loose curls today, so let's just go ahead and hop right into it. This is my hair before we start. Y'all saw how my hair looked in intro clips. We got to get to that. So first I like to go ahead and part down the middle. Disclaimer, I did not part my hair back far enough. Within this clip later on I will actually go in and make my parting space more deep to match the V part. A trick that you guys can do is to try to measure the space that the V part has and then line that up on your head so you don't have to go back and forth like what I'm doing, just so you can lay it right the first time. Again, I did have to go back in and part out a little bit more of my hair deeper going back so I can match up the V part to be more seamless. But I like to go ahead and section my leave out of the way. I am using some of my perimeter. That's what helps give like that seamless look around your edges. You honestly can skip this step, but I personally like the way it looks when I do leave out some of my perimeter. I don't do this all the time, but when I'm, wanting a little extra coverage, I like to leave out my perimeter because it just looks so good. A quick hack if you do not know how to plait to your scalp or flat twist or want to do anything like that, you do want to use some type of anchor braid so then you'll have something to hook onto. Sometimes when you don't use an anchor braid, the wig can slip, but this is a quick hack. I like to go ahead and section out 2 pieces near my parting space, and I'm just going to plait down both of those pieces, y'all. It clips on perfectly to these plaits, and it's something that's very convenient and quick. I did a low ponytail with these plaits on each side. That's all I did for this install. Very quick. It took me less than 5 to 10 minutes to do this, and it's so quick and easy to do. Installing a V-part wig is very simple. Just make sure you unclip your clips and then you're going to line it up with your leave out. So this is the clip where I showed you guys I did not part my hair deep enough for the parting space of the V part. So I did leave this clip in just to show you guys it's not as seamless right now because I didn't section out enough hair to go farther back enough, but I am going to go back in, and this is where I fixed it so much longer and it matches the V part perfectly, and I'm so excited that I went back in and did that. Just something quick. Y'all saw how quick it was to do it. It's very simple. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take loose my leave out, and once I do that, I'm going to use some of my heat protectant. I'm not going to share which one I use because I actually learned it's not that good at protecting my hair, so I'm currently in the process of finding new ones, but make sure you're using heat protectant whenever you're using heat on your hair and go from there. A quick way to style a body wave V-part wig is to flip your hair kind of like a loose curl and have it lay on top of the wig. Y'all, quick fix. Y'all see how that lays? So pretty. It kind of give it like a feathered effect, especially with body wave hair. And I just added a curl in the front. But now I'm going to use this holding spray at the top of my hair. I found that this helps with no flyaways and to give kind of like that silk press hot comb look with my hair. But to style, I'm going to use this claw clip. Y'all, this claw clip style is so cute with this hair. It is my favorite. It is my go-to. It is convenient. It is simple. It is cute. It's all of that and above. But for this claw clip style, I did just go ahead and take my hair and wrap it up going upward and claw clipped it in. I didn't use no band. I didn't use no elastic. I didn't use no rubber band. None of that. I just literally used the hair to hold itself up with the claw clip. If you made it this far in the video, please chat it up with me and let me know what you guys think down below. Do you own a V-part wig? What's stopping you? All right, come chat it up with me and let me know what you guys thought about this video, because that helps me know what kind of content you guys would like to see. Don't forget, all the information on this hair will be down below in my description box. At this point in the video, I'm going to leave you guys to vibe to the rest of this tutorial. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauties.